Hi, real quick. The giveaway is done, and I appreciate everybody's submissions. We hit way over 100 subscribers, and it's just the support has been amazing. So thank you for supporting the channel. The giveaway for the hex boxes as well as the ring boxes, I used a random generator on the internet. If you entered the word happy days, you were entered on the video. The winner is Colton Visser. So Colton, I'll be reaching out to you, and you will have your option between a ring box or a hex box. Also, as a bonus, I'm also going to be giving out to Tin Man X222 2. Thank you for your very kind comment, like over a year ago. It's good for the support, and I hope I can just pass along the good vibes. So I'll be reaching out to you as well. So thank you, everybody, and got some fun things in the works. So I'll see you around.